Hi, I'm Jo and I'm going to talk you through our list of essential gear for a walking holiday in Bonnie, Scotland. First of all, looking at the upper body, you're looking for a base layer to start with. So something made from merino wool's good, and we definitely don't recommend cotton. Next up, an insulating layer, such as a micro fleece, is always good. And then depending on the weather, you might need a heavier insulation layer, something like a heavier fleece or an insulating jacket. And then on top, a waterproof breathable shell jacket. Okay, so for the lower body, we're looking for lightweight and quick drying walking trousers. And then for on top, waterproof and breathable over trousers, and ideally these will have an adjustable ankle cuff to make getting them on over boots nice and easy. So for your feet, we recommend hiking socks, again wool based, waterproof hiking boots with ankle support, as trail shoes and trainers really aren't suitable for the rough terrain that you may meet here in Scotland. And finally, a pair of gaiters, which may be useful in keeping your lower legs dry and can help stop things getting in your boots. Then for head and hands, we recommend you have a warm woolly hat and also some lightweight gloves. We recommend a day sack with about 25 to 35 litres capacity, ideally with a rain cover. We will share a full list of recommended items and suggest where to buy them on the full article on our website. Hope to see you on the trail soon.